I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. Okay, for this exercise, they've given you a lot of help here. They've bolded the words all the way around the gaps, which lead you to indicate or lead you to think about what might be the correct word. I know they've given you a little bit of help, but let's go through this in any case. What's the answer for question number 1? Well, easy peasy. You've got the article before the gap. We don't have the noun to which that article refers, therefore we need the noun. What's the noun? Definition. For question number 2, we've got a noun after the gap, and as we know, if we've got a gap before a noun, chances are it's going to be an adjective. If we have a look before the gap, indeed we can see an adjective and collocation. So you've got this adjective connected with this gap, which both modify the noun. It's clear we need an adjective of some kind. What's the adjective that we need? Emotional. For question number 3, once again, before the gap we've got an article, but we don't have the noun to which that article refers. So what's the noun that we need? Variety. For question number 4, we've got a possessive pronoun before the gap, and we've got the noun to which that possessive pronoun relates after the gap. What do we need here? We need an adjective to modify the noun. What's the adjective? Psychological. For question 5, it's the same as question 4, it's just the other way round really. We've got a possessive pronoun our, we've got our adjective this time, but we don't have the noun to which the adjective modifies and to which the possessive pronoun relates. So here we've got to fill in the noun. We've got to look at the context though, because the context tells us that this is going to be a plural noun, beliefs. For question 6, what we've got here is a modal verb before the gap, and then we've got the bare infinitive after the gap, because after a modal verb you need a bare infinitive. What do we have here? Well, we've got something that modifies the verb that follows. In other words, we need an adverb. What's the adverb that we need? Theoretically. For question number 7, we've got an adjective before the gap, and then we've got after the gap for something. So we need an adjective to modify the noun, and we need that noun for that thing. So what is that noun that we need? Tolerance. Question number 8. Let's have a look at the language pattern before the gap. Find plus noun plus adjective. We've got find the pain, and now we need our adjective. But which adjective do we need? Well, given the context, it's not going to be the positive form of the adjective. We need the negative form. Hence, the answer is unbearable.